Recording sounds can always be a little problematic. The first thing that we must always do is check that we've got our recording working correctly. This little icon down here, it shows us our volumes for playback, but it's not actually the one we want. We want to right click on it and then we can select playback and recording devices. I'm going to start with recording devices. Let's just bring this back into the window here. Now you can see I've actually got a couple of microphones working and both of them are picking up sounds at the moment. You need to make sure that you are using the correct microphone and that when you are speaking that you can see some action taking place with that microphone. The next one we want to check is the playback, and we want to determine that playback has been selected correctly. So these two things are quite important. Now, when you select your microphone, click on Properties, and there are a number of different things we want to determine. We want to check that our volume is sufficiently high, and we also want to just double check in advance in case there are extra properties. Now, this will vary depending on the microphone that you are working with and what features that you have available to you. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK on there. I'm going to have a look at this one now, and you'll see I've got a different set of things that are being offered to me here. I've got a microphone boost, I've got other enhancements, so it depends on the actual microphone that you've got. We're probably going to find that you're going to be recording out of the front panel. This microphone I've got that you can see me using here at the moment is a wireless headphone microphone. Into our playback as well, we make sure that we're going to select the appropriate device for output, which should be the headphones that you're going to be listening to. You'll notice that this is actually a little different here. I'm not listening on my headset. The reason for that is that I'm trying to mix and record the sound for this video that I'm making. Usually you'll be listening on the headset if you're recording on the headset. Okay, we're going to leave that. It seems to be set up correctly. Let's bring up Audacity here. We have a further control that we have to be a little bit careful with. We also have a microphone selection and headphone selection here in Audacity. So I'm just going to make a quick recording. There it is, and let's play it back. So I'm just going to make a quick recording, and there that is. So that's working fine. Now, I can turn off this microphone or change the microphone. If I do that, then I'm going to succeed in cutting myself off. So just be careful that you don't select something that won't actually record. Make sure always to test the microphone. Do a very short 5-second recording. Play it back to make sure it's actually working. Recording again, and here we are, we're recording back. So if you're sure that it's working, close, and then you're ready to begin. You've got your levels set appropriately.